Hello there, Facebook users. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of crisis response on Facebook. If you want to stay informed about the most active and recent crises happening around you, you've come to the right place. Get ready for a comprehensive guide on how to view most active and recent crises on Facebook. Let's jump right in. First things first, if you haven't already, let's download the Facebook app. Head over to the Play Store, type Facebook in the search bar, and look for the white F with a white background. Tap on it and hit the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your account. Great! Now that you're all set up, let's move on to step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. From the shortcut menu, tap on Crises Response. You're doing fantastic. Inside the Crises Response section, you can quickly access information about recent crises activities. The app will display a list of the most recent crises that have occurred nearby. Now, let's take it a step further. Tap on the Most Active option to view the crises with the largest number of people marked safe. This will give you valuable insights into the ongoing situations and help you stay informed. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on how to view most active and recent crises on Facebook. Now you can stay informed about crises happening around you and be aware of the most active situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips. Thanks for watching, and let's stay connected and informed through Facebook's crisis response.